Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with bingo winnings from Kathie's World. And I have an announcement as long as I'm showing the prize, which I will be showing in a second. I will be having a pop-up sale sometime next week. Any profit from that pop-up sale will be going to Kathie's World for bingo night for shipping. So look for that pop-up sale, guys. I don't know exactly what date I'm going to do it and when I'm going to do it. I'm going to actually come up with a date. Let's see. We're going to do it Wednesday the 28th at 6:30 Central Standard Time. I will be having a bingo pop-up sale. I'm going to call it the bingo pop-up sale because anything from that sale is going to Kathie's for shipping. So let's get into my prize. So I won this nice bag. I love the coloring on this. It's kind of beachy looking. And it's got this minty green. I love mint green. But it's full of stuff, guys. So let's see. I'm just going to pull out. I know she showed it. So we got this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I want to say this is like, 12 tags, lace, and decor. So we got, it's a tag kit. Oh, I like that. So I can make, we got some decent tags. Look at that. Love this paper. You know me, I will be making these mixed media. I love the green look. I have a thing for that look with the green. Really pretty. And what this is, we're going to see. Oh, it's a little, probably so you can go like this. Make a little hanger. Cool. And we got the little bits and bobs, I call these. Can make a little cluster. That is cool. So that was in there. Definitely will be doing something with that. Love this paper. And I'm not a pinky paper person, but that's pretty. Pinky flowery person. Not really me. But you know what? It's pretty. Alright, so we have that. And let's see. It's like a goodie bag. I love goodie bags. Oh, we got a chunk of mint fabric. A fat corner. Blue checkered. I guess I don't know if you'd call this checkered or not, but it's pretty. Be cute if I did a journal that was like a manly or boyish. This would be a cute cover. Cute cover, cute cover. And then, look at this. I don't know what you would call this, crocheting or knitting, but it's a trim. It's gorgeous. It looks like there's a pink tone to it. It's not quite white. I don't know if you guys see it. It probably looks white on camera. Or it's my just coloring, but every time I move it, it looks like there's a light baby pink to this. This is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, some lace. We have, hey, Kathie, there's purple in here. So we have purple and lavender. And a light pink, a dark pink, and a maroon. That is pretty. I wonder if you dyed this. If she dyed that, that's cool how she did that. I don't do too good on dyeing stuff. So I gave up on that aspect of crafting. I'd rather paint it myself. It's the next media. That's pretty. Oh, there's more. I'm still reaching in. And then we have a little, oh, look at. Where's the opening? I see little teddy bears or puppy dogs. It looks like Raggedy Ann. Is it Raggedy Ann? Well, not quite Raggedy Ann, but it looks like a Raggedy Ann to me. Little bear. That's cute. Look at that little girl. Love the denim look. It's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Well, let's reach in again. I mean, this thing is, I keep reaching in and pulling something out. Ooh, what's this? What's this? What's this? I love Kathie'S blind box. I won a large priority box as a prize once, and it was so awesome. So, because I could see, when I look at something, I can sit here and look at this table right now, and I can see so much potential of making something with it. I never look at something and go, what am I going to do with it? I always look at it, there's something I can do with it. Don't know at the moment, but I always look, oh, this is pretty. I always look at something I can do with this. Now that's pretty. And then she matched it with this like silky, creamy color. That's cool. And this, like this would be something I never buy. So winning it, it gives me the opportunity to use something like this. But I already got a plan for this one in my head. See? Already I got it in my head. And oh, there's a pocket I keep feeling. I'm like, whoops, dropped something. I keep feeling something else, and I hear it's a pocket in there. Oh my god. Oh. Well, we don't need that. I thought that was something. I just realized, check this out. There is a pocket in this bag. I kept on trying to grab that, and it wasn't coming out. There's a pocket. Oh, now that's kind of cool. You can use it as a clutch, I guess. I'm thinking a good travel little bag for like your makeup or stuff. And we have, let's see. And let's see. Okay. So we got gratitude, la vista, destination. Oh, they're little like planner stickers. Oh, they're all the same. Oh no, they're not. What? Nope. Okay, so destination tag, destination, movie day, okay, beginnings, there, journey, them are cool, and then some flowers. That's cool. Love that flower. Where'd that go? Love that. Love the butterfly. So thank you so much, Kathie'S World. And all this cool winnings. Love it, love it, love it. This little clutch purse bag. I think it'd be cool. Put my brush in there. Some makeup in there when you're traveling. Yes, and I will be taking a trip here in the near future. So I'm going to probably use that. So, now I'm going to announce again. Let's see, make sure my date's right. September 28th, 6:30 Central Standard Time. I am having a pop-up sale. Every dime, I'm going to put dime, I think it sounds good, made will go to Kathie'S Oh, I almost wrote her name wrong. She would have my hide. Kathie's for bingo shipping. So if you watch this, tell your friends. There'll be some Halloween stuff. If you watch my pop-up sale, you'll see some Halloween stuff I made. So I'm cutting the prices on that stuff. So everything I make from that sale on Wednesday the 28th will go to Kathie for shipping for bingo prizes, guys. So spread the word, share it out, and I hope to see you guys there. As well, thank you, Kathie, for the lovely bingo windows. God, I can't speak here. Bingo winnings. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.